Okay, I got the issue taken care of that I had. I called Scosche, and I just had to hold the set button for 10 seconds, cycle it through on the ignition, and then hold the button for 10 seconds, and everything kicked in perfectly. Sounds so much better too. I don't know how that sounds on this phone, but that sounds great just to the naked ear. Bass kicking in, sub back there kicking in, you can tell. Highs sound perfect. Pretty nice sounding. Anyway, took me about 2 hours to get it done, and I'm glad I did it. Now if I can just prevent it from getting stolen. It has "Steal Me" written all over it.